Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today, I've got something super exciting, fresh from Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9, 2025, it's the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. The slimmest and most pocketable flip yet, packed with eye-powered features. Let's dive in. Here it is, the Galaxy Z Flip7. Sleek, compact, and lightweight at just 188 grams. This is Samsung's lightest flip to date. Building on fortitude and finesse, the Flip7 is framed in armor aluminum with a reinforced armor flex hinge for smoother folds and better durability. Folded, it's 13.7mm thick, opening up to 6.5mm when unfolded, amazingly slim for a foldable. Unfolding reveals a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness up to 2600 nits. Bright, crisp, and vibrant. Ideal for videos, gaming, and browsing. Under the hood is Samsung's Exynos 2503nm chipset with 12GB RAM. Blazing fast and efficient. Storage options are 256 or 512GB. It's powered by a 4300 mAh dual-cell battery, Samsung's biggest ever in a flip. Rated for up to 31 hours of video playback. Charging includes 25W wired, 15W wireless, and reverse wireless charging. Let's talk cameras. This has a 50 megapixels wide and 12 megapixels ultra-wide duo on the cover, plus a 10 megapixels front-facing camera inside. The Galaxy Z Flip7 runs Android 16 with One UI 8, debuting Galaxy AI features like Now Bar, Now Brief, and Google Gemini Live, which can chat via the cover screen and even analyze outfits or weather without flipping open. TLDR. Samsung has refined the flip design, bigger screens, thinner body, stronger hinge, bigger battery, powerful AI, and flagship performance, all in a compact package. If you love the Flip 6, the Flip 7 is a significant jump up. And Samsung Care Plus makes it easy to protect and replace the glass or battery if needed. This is first look at the Galaxy Z Flip 7. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What feature are you most excited about? See you in the next one.